So we got the whole tree crew out here today at the elevator. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start toning down everything that's overgrown. There's trees all over the place. They're coming up through the concrete. We have to get at least somewhere where we can see what's going on. We're gonna save some because I can't put them back after I cut them down, but we're gonna get out, 95% of the trees in this area that are up close to the building. Val wants to save a few, so I'm gonna do my best I can with that. Of course, she might leave, and so then we're gonna do what we want. But that's our plan for today. Everybody's got a chainsaw, got another guy on a little skid steer. We're gonna fill up the chip truck and go from there. I just talked to the guys. They're gonna keep moving this direction. I pointed to one tree over there in the center that they're gonna keep. Okay. Then I told them everything in between the building and the road is gonna go. Okay. So they're gonna keep moving this direction until they get to the corner, and now we have to talk about that. So, okay. So let's, all this stuff in here, it's gonna go.
Yeah, all that needs to go.
Right. They'll probably leave the vine.
We're not gonna cut the vine, right?
Correct.
Okay.
We're concentrating on trees.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so like that. All of this, it's gonna go.
Okay.
I don't have a problem with that.
Okay. I wouldn't be hugely opposed if like some of these fake trees stay.
Maybe we might keep one.
Okay.
But it might be something like this tree. Those are just garbage. But they're not. They're and they grow like weeds.
Well, and that's fine, but you get it's a nice bushy tree. This looks all straggly.
So maybe okay, fine. Then maybe we'll keep one.
One or two, or three even.
Okay, we'll probably keep 0 or 1.
Okay.
And 6 feet from the building is not that far. This is like 6 feet.
Okay.
So if we clear out 6 feet from the concrete, that's not, you're gonna have most of it.
Okay, yeah, because we need to not be crazy.
But we might. Okay.
This path is kind of a good initial marker.
Okay, fine. So
everything over here.
Right, and we're gonna trim that branch so we can see the treasure there? We have to rescue that. So we're gonna cut it so we can rescue that treasure. And then, fine, the little path.
So the path, this little guy can go.
Well, let's see how far we get today.
Okay.
If we, this stuff here, it's gonna take us a little bit to haul it out and get rid of it. But then we're gonna go in between and anything.
We don't have anything growing, they cut it down.
Well, whatever, there's a few here, but we're just gonna do the perimeter.
Okay, I wanna get a view, because someday this will be our beer garden, or I don't know, wine garden, something. So, yeah, definitely right around here. This guy could go. We need spray paint. Okay, I'm putting a bottle of spray paint. That tree can go.
Well, that's kind of the path.
Well, in a broad sense of the word.
And then, those two are gonna go, this little clump here, and then around the corner this way, there's some huge trees that we have to get rid of.
I walk through and X what trees can go. The problem is you like to level everything, and I have to put it back.
I've got 6 or 8 guys here today. I can't hold all their hand, and I don't really.
That's why I'm saying maybe we spray paint it, because you're over there by the chipper and they're over here.
Those could go also. So that's going to keep us busy for a little while. Okay. If you want to do some spray painting in here, we're not going to level it, but we are going to thin it out a bit. We're going to start mowing it.
What we could do is start marking a few. If you get to them, you get to them. If not, that's fine. But on that walkway, those are the trees on the wall. We can't take all those down, but they need to be trimmed back so we can walk through there.
So I might just have them cut like the fence, along the fence, you know what I'm saying?
So all of this can go.
The stuff down low, pretty much?
Yeah, I mean, maybe leave that one, it's out a little further.
Fine, I'll tell them 4 or 5 feet.
Right by the concrete.
Right.
That. Yeah, all of this.
Right.
Go. Watch the hole.
But I'm gonna leave the vine alone for now. We can pull it out later if we want.
Okay, yeah.
But then I think with this, I'm gonna tell them, oh, I don't wanna wreck the saws. They can just start cutting on this side of the chain link.
Go up. This tree, these could go.
Yeah, watch the hole. And then we just do a little bit, you know.
Yeah, just kind of go straight
Right.
up.
We didn't take a pole saw today, so it's just gonna be chainsaw stuff. You know, there again.
But yeah, some of this, like just the big stuff hanging over this way.
Okay. Get a better view of what's going on. I mean, we got to get to it. We can't say clear it out, but don't touch anything.
I know. I'm just afraid that they're going to do too much.
You're like a hoarder cleaning out their basement. Yeah, I need some help cleaning out. Don't touch that. No, don't touch that. We got to save, you know.
I'm a tree hoarder.
Right. Watch.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, here it comes here. Oh man, it looks like it's coming down and then it don't.
Let's just get
Okay.
out of here.